Starting a new sketchbook is exciting, yet it can be quite intimidating. So, here are 10 tips which will hopefully help you to overcome your fears of the blank pages, mixed with some tips on how to stay motivated and improve your art by using your sketchbook. Tip number 1. Warm up. As the first page can be quite intimidating, warm up before you start drawing. Maybe finish the last page in your previous sketchbook, or just pick up a piece of paper and draw till you feel more confident. I know it sounds simple, but it makes a huge difference. Tip number 2. Embrace your comfort zone. We usually want to create something amazing on the first page, but have you ever wondered why? Why does the first page have to be a masterpiece? Because thinking that way just prevents us from being creative and enjoying the process. So, my advice is, don't skip the first page, face your fears, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you are still nervous, take it easy. You can draw something you have drawn before, maybe your favorite character, or you can copy your favorite page from your previous sketchbook. You can also copy your favorite artists. It's totally up to you. Just don't overthink it. Tip number 3. Accept the learning process. Don't be scared of making mistakes. This is a sketchbook, your safe space to explore your creativity. It is a place to study and learn, so making mistakes or having a bad day is quite unavoidable. You can always use a sticky notes to correct your mistakes or paint over it. But I would advise you to keep the bad drawings, analyze what went wrong and learn from your mistakes. But also, find something you like about your art and learn to appreciate your work. It will help you to build a healthy confidence in your drawing and painting abilities. Tip number 4. Explore. While using a reference is certainly a good idea, try to draw from your memory or imagination from time to time. Don't rely on references for everything you create, because sometimes it's quite easy to fall into the pattern of just mindlessly copying of what we see without our own input. This, in the long term, may negatively affect our confidence and creativity, especially when we have to create something without a reference. So instead, use your imagination and intuition and explore your ideas and draw from your visual library you have already built. Tip number 5. Draw your life. Make your sketchbook a diary. Capture your daily life in forms of little illustrations or comics. It is a fun challenge to find a way how to express your feelings about certain situations, discovering your own visual style. And also, it's a great way how to preserve some of your memories or life situations. For example, my friend have a sketchbook full of our awkward moments from our early 20s, which is kind of fun to look at. Tip number 6. Fill the pages with things or feelings you are craving right now. It can be anything. I, for example, miss the Mediterranean Sea, the citrus and olive trees, and the sound of cicadas. So, at least I'm trying to capture it in my art. Tip number 7. Redraw your old artwork. Go through your previous sketchbooks and find an artwork you like and try to draw it again. You might be surprised how much you have improved or how much your style have evolved over the time. And I think this is quite important, as sometimes it's quite hard to see the progress we made. Sometimes there is this feeling like we are moving backwards, and this exercise is like a reality check, and the result might inspire and motivate you to draw more. Tip number 8. Experiment. We all have a favorite medium in which we feel comfortable, but sometimes it might be beneficial to try something new and step out of our comfort zone. And a sketchbook is the best place to do that. So don't be scared and try to work with different mediums, even if the sketchbook is not exactly suitable for it. If you are a painter, try to draw. Explore the lines, and if you are someone who is scared to paint, try to pick only a few colors and explore how they mix together. Also, try to experiment with different styles. Draw one thing again and again, over and over, but each time with a different level of stylization and exaggeration. This is, at least for me, the best way how to quickly develop a visual style for a project like a comics or animation. And also a great way how to improve your skills. So, to sum it up, just have fun and embrace your curiosity. Tip number 9. Draw with your non-dominant hand. I know, you're probably asking why, but surprisingly, it is fun and it may actually help you to find a new approach to how to draw. There is no muscle memory in your non-dominant hand. So, when you try to draw, it can be quite challenging but beneficial in a way of stepping out of your drawing habits and patterns. That way, you may create a drawing or painting in a completely different style than you are used to. This may be useful when you are feeling stuck or like you are not making any progress. Tip number 10. Write a list of drawing ideas. If you're planning to challenge yourself to draw daily or as much as possible, I would suggest to write down a list of drawing ideas or topics you are interested in. This comes handy in times when you feel unmotivated or you have no idea what to draw. I personally like to use sticky notes, but feel free to write right into the sketchbook. I hope you find these tips helpful, and if you have some more, please share them in the comments. Bye and see you in the next video.